See this boat, the big boat. This is a tourist. It's a long time 80s. This kind of boat were used in Lamu as a cargo to bring cargo from Mombasa, Zanzibar, Somalia, Lamu. There were few lorries and few trucks to carry cargo, so they use this dhow to bring cargo in Lamu. All stuff of all kind of stuff, like for all kind of stuff, food stuff. Now it's no longer used. Now it's a tourist attraction. Tourists are being they hire it and they go for sunset or long trip in other islands. This is Lamu Island, Aboud Mohamed Kombo. Thank you.